So let's talk about Sonam Wangchuk here, who's also been now shifted to a private hospital in Gurugram from Delhi's Safdarjung Hospital. And even after the transfer, he continues with his hunger strike, which is now entered its 26th day today. So even as Sonam Wangchuk continues with his indefinite hunger strike, he has sent a direct appeal to the centre. In this letter, he has now laid out assurances saying that necessary when it comes to these demands that he is kept for need to be agreed by the government. And his demands include compensation for the families of whose students died by suicide, a meaningful discussion in Parliament on the NEET paper leak, and the discussion on the Education Minister's resignation, protection for the young protesters, no legal action against those taking part in the agitation. Where Wangchuk says that he will only end his fast if the government gives him these assurances.
अब भी मेरे पास बहुत से नेतागण आए अनशन तोड़ने की अपील के साथ, जिसमें शासक दल के मंत्री भी आए और सांसद लगभग 65 के हस्ताक्षर और यहां आकर अपील कर रहे हैं कि मैं अनशन तोड़ूं और वापस देश सेवा में लग जाऊं। मैं सरकार से विनती करता हूं कि वो और ऐसे ताकत बल का प्रयोग न करें बच्चों पर, और दूसरी बात उन पर आरोप और एफआईआर जिससे कि उन्हें सताया जा सके जेल या पुलिस द्वारा, ये न करने की मुझे आश्वासन चाहिए। और वो आश्वासन अगर जल्द मिल जाए तो मैं आप सबके और जो नेतागण यहाँ पर आए उनकी बातों का इज्जत करते हुए अनशन आज ही तोड़ूंगा।
So even as Sonam Wangchuk continues with his hunger strike at the Medanta hospital, a fresh controversy has also surfaced where his wife has alleged that the members of parliament who signed a letter urging Wangchuk to end his fast are being prevented from meeting him. She claims that the government is not allowing them access the move and calling it to be disappointed and really shameful.
जैसे आप देख रहे हैं कि पीछे इतनी पुलिस प्रेजेंस है, जो कि एमपीज जो आना चाहते थे और जिन्होंने ये लेटर से सारों ने साइन करके भेजा है कि सोनम को फास्ट तोड़ा जाए, उनको अंदर नहीं जाने दिया जा रहा है। ये जो भारतीय सरकार एमपीज को नहीं मिलने दे रही है, ये एक शर्मनाक बात है इस देश को, जिसको हम लोकतंत्र कहते हैं। और जो लद्दाख से 10 लीडर्स आए हुए हैं एपेक्स बॉडी के, केडीए के, वहाँ के एमपी आए हुए हैं, मेरे साथ शफी जी खड़े हैं जो एपेक्स के हैं मेंबर। ये 4 घंटे से यहाँ वेट कर रहे हैं, इनको मिलने नहीं दिया जा रहा।
Now, while the protests continue, the government is signalling the dialogue is far from over, saying that a day after Union Health Minister JP Nadda visited the injured protesters in the hospital, held talks with the CJP leaders, and the centre has reiterated that the channels of communication that remain open. However, the outrage follows as the meeting between the Union Minister Jitendra Singh and the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi, during which the government ensured that the government is ready for a NEET paper leak discussion in Parliament, which they then accused the LOP of going back on his word. Meanwhile, the CJP founder Abhijeet Dipke is making it clear that the agitation is not ending anytime soon. In a strong message to the centre, he said that the protests will continue until Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation, and he's insisted that the movement is being prepared for a prolonged battle, saying that the protesters are ready to remain on the streets for 6 months or a year or however long it takes.
अपनी मांगे मानी नहीं जाती तब तक वो सुना नहीं है, तब तक पीछे हटना नहीं है। तो मैं फिर से एक बार कहना चाहता हूँ आप लोगों से, जब तक धर्मेंद्र प्रधान का इस्तीफा नहीं हो जाता तब तक ये प्रोटेस्ट खत्म नहीं होगा। 1 महीने तक प्रोटेस्ट है और 6 महीने तक यहीं पे घेरेंगे, लेकिन ये प्रोटेस्ट किसी भी हाल में खत्म नहीं होगा। ये प्रोटेस्ट जारी रहेगा जब तक नरेंद्र